Right then, so today we are going to be installing a CTEC by-wire fire panel. On this property here they've had building control come out and they've got an LD3 system, but it was meant to be an L3. So we're going to be installing a part 1 fire alarm system today. So it's going to be about 6 devices going in, all conduited. first fix. All dead testing has been completed yesterday. Today we're just going to be second fixing the panel and all the accessories or devices. So come and have a look and I'll show you some of the stuff.
Right then, so panel is powered up now. Before we do anything else, what we're going to do is, if you notice, none of the heads are fitted. Because what we're going to do is we're going to check the polarity of the zones. So part of the regs is, if someone removes the detector off the ceiling, the core point still has to operate. So we test it now without any detectors on, just to make sure that these will work. If the polarity to make sure the polarity is the right way. As you can see, that's working fine. So as you can see, that is all worked now. So we've tested zone 1 and zone 2 with the heads off. So now we'll put all the heads on and make sure that actually the fire alarm goes into a fault-free condition. And there we have, fault-free panel. All the zones are in, so we've got 2 zones on this one. It's only a 2-zone panel, it's a very small building. The reason why we put it onto 2 zones is purely because for it to comply you need 2 sounder circuits on your fire alarm system. And because we're using a by-wire system, we wanted to make sure there was a fail-safe. So if at least one zone fails, we've already got another zone with sounders on. So we won't lose the entire sound in the entire building. So there we go. Otherwise we'd have just had to put an additional sounder by the fire panel, but then it'd be a bit loud because we've got these sounder bases and beacons, and they are quite nice. They're not too loud. They're loud enough for what we need. So everything now has been labelled. All the devices have been labelled. All the end of lines have been identified. So now we're going to do our quiescent load test. So here's our meter, connected into the batteries, turn the power off. And when the panel goes into fault, there we go, so we've got our power fault now. And then we've got 0.018 is the highest, so we'll record that one. And we'll set off the fire alarm. So that's our I1 total. Now we're going to do our I2. There's our quiescent load test done.